What if you could just stand on an exercise pad and shake and lose weight? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Merach 2440 vibrational pad. This is a fitness exercise pad that vibrates and shakes and causes a whole bunch of awesome things to happen. Lymphatic drainage, losing weight, activating muscle groups. This thing is awesome. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Today we're going to be taking a look at the Merach CV40 vibration plate. 13mm large amplitude design. This vibration plate exercise machine has a large amplitude of 13mm. This large amplitude vibration can effectively activate deep muscles and fat cells and promote lipolysis, accelerate metabolism, and achieve more efficient fat loss results. High amplitude vibrations can also significantly increase blood and lymph circulation, which can help reduce edema, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. Intelligent automatic speed changes. This vibration plate can automatically detect your standing state. It will automatically start when you stand on it, and it will automatically stop after you leave it for more than 30 seconds, which greatly simplifies the operation steps and improves safety. In addition, it can automatically adjust the vibration speed according to your footstep frequency during exercise, providing a more personalized and efficient exercise experience. Better exercise experiences because this vibration plate is equipped with a built-in speaker and Bluetooth function, allowing you to connect to Bluetooth to transmit music through your smartphone. This dynamic music rhythm can help you maintain the rhythm of exercise and improve your enthusiasm and encouraging you to continue the exercise. In addition, the vibration plate uses high silicone foot pads, which are not only more comfortable to step on, but also environmentally friendly and odorless. Diversified training. The vibration plate provides 99 speeds and 10 automatic modes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sports enthusiast, you can find the training intensity that suits you best, and it comes with 2 tension bands to help you add upper body strength training to the vibration training. It is equipped with a remote control for easy operation, and the LED display shows in real time, allowing you to understand your training situation at just a glance. It's the best choice for heavy users. This fat shaking machine can bear 440 pounds, so you don't have to worry about the equipment being damaged or unstable. The bottom is equipped with a non-slip chassis to increase safety when standing and reduce the risk of slipping. For a product that weighs less than 40 pounds to be able to hold 440 pounds, wow, Merach, this thing is awesome. Gotta say guys, great job.
As you know, we worked with Merach plenty of times in the past, and their products are always so awesome. Not only are they awesome and great, they're also super affordable. High quality, a good price, Merach, they've got you covered. This vibrational pad is just so awesome. It's so futuristic. It's great. We want to give a huge shout out to Merach for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.